Hi guys, good
Today
morning.
we're gonna make
We're gonna go. Tatanim
green
tayo ng green
plants,
microgreens.
microgreens.
So meron tayong tray na may butas guys.
We have the soil.
Soil and then
We have the box
at saka yung seeds na gagamitin natin guys.
and the water.
Broccoli at saka yung lettuce.
Obviously, we need water to spray
So lalagay natin.
so it will grow high. That's how you grow microgreens.
It's gonna go high and high.
You need to go spray
It's
water
gonna
on it.
make a rainbow.
So it will
It's
make
gonna
a
make the
big.
flowers. It's gonna make a flower.
Yan guys. Tapos lalagyan natin na yung tubig. Pagkatapos sprayan natin.
Okay?
Try natin magano guys. Kasi first time natin patubo ng microgreens.
All of them.
Just wait.
So di tayo gumagawa ito guys without research.
When it's sweeping, you have to make it high and high.
Yes.
Right there.
And we're having a video.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe because you're almost in 1 million
Tapos
subscribers.
yan.
Okay, guys? It's good. Okay?
We're almost in 1 million subscribers. I mean 1 billion.
Yes.
So may na-set up
We're
tayong
almost
ano
in
guys.
1 billion
Yung
likes.
may gaya nito na may
Here's your walkie.
lead light. Kaso medyo malaki pa siya.
Actually, we
Malaki-laki.
have 4 likes.
Hanap tayo ng
We did the
maliit.
video.
So
And now this is
for today,
Third.
sample pa lang to guys.
this is our third
Sakaling
video.
mag-success,
I did
gawa tayo
our
marami.
first video, our second video, and the third video.
Pagkatapos niyan, may tray yan sa ano guys, sa baba.
Like and subscribe.
Para kung ano, yung tubig, dyan siya mag ano,
Please.
stuck.
Okay.
Ngayon,
Please subscribe.
sprayan natin.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh,
And can I try?
Wait kaya.
it's gonna go fast.
Hmm?
Where's the seeds?
Yeah, just wait after this.
And can I try this way?
It's going to play.
More. Put more. Wait.
And can I spray? Can I try this spray?
Yung iba guys, ginagamit na yung ano,
Daddy, look it.
yung kukupit.
Look at that. That's a good.
Hindi tayo nakakita ng
Daddy, can I
kukupit dito sa
spray?
Qatar guys.
No, I will.
Nasa Qatar tayo. So,
It's for your turn.
ito yung ginagamit natin.
Okay, Dad, can I spray now? Can you spray?
Soil
Can you
sa
spray?
kanyang ano, sa microgreens.
Yeah, we bought it.
Why?
So hanggang huwag natin siyang papalampas dito guys, at least.
Okay, guys?
My dad
Para
tries.
pag tubo ng
To wash me, okay?
Daddy, can I try?
kasi wala tayong ibang,
Daddy, can I spray?
wait, just wait.
Can I try this?
Okay, we use this one. Just
Spray.
little. Just little press. Just light. Yeah. Okay.
And can I spray?
Against, okay, yeah. You spray it. There you go. Oh, all. Di pa. Okay. Oh, Sky's turn. Give chance to Sky.
And in the middle
Okay,
is
go.
Skylar's,
Yeah.
and here is mine.
What happened, Sky?
Doesn't know.
Go.
So hard.
It's okay. Oh, get more. More press. Squeeze. Yeah.
My turn.
Okay.
It's gonna grow.
That's enough. Okay.
It's gonna grow.
We're gonna do it, guys.
We can do it with the makeup.
Oh, you need
Okay?
Yeah.
section. Daddy, can I do this?
Sure.
I can roll it.
Next.
Next step, the seeds.
So the seeds.
Can I try to do that, please?
Kasi itong broccoli seeds guys.
We're gonna do that first, and after the celery.
Just wait.
Okay?
Can I
maliliit lang.
try? Can I
Kumpara
try?
dun sa
Can I try? Can I try?
ito siya. So, hindi natin
Daddy,
kailangan
take off your
siyang
glove.
i-soak sa tubig.
Daddy, take off your
Kasi
glove.
maliliit yung buto guys. Di kagaya sa sa sunflower at saka yung peas.
Guys,
Mas maganda din yun ang ginagamit natin guys. So
guys,
hindi tayo makahanap dito. So
guys, don't you
Ngayon,
know, we have
ito
to
yung
take off
gagamitin
our
natin.
glove for this.
kasi maliliit lang.
Daddy, you have to take off your glove for this.
Hindi. Just wait.
My hand is
And then
clean. Let's go. It's super clean.
And put it in the garbage.
and then
Can I try?
yan, spread na natin siya guys.
Can I? Can you put that in my hand too?
Okay, come. Here. Then spread like this. You spread. Yan.
Yan?
Yan.
Is it?
Ganyan lang guys. Spread natin.
Got that? Can I have
Excuse.
more? Come on, this. Tiny pieces. Daddy, can I have more, please?
Ito yan. This one. Oh, here. Okay, spread this side, this
you.
part. Yan.
Can you have
Uh,
this too?
we,
This?
yeah, for the other side also. After.
I got the
So,
seeds.
isang
And
tray,
then
guys.
after we need to
ano to,
bury it.
broccoli.
Now it's the broccoli.
And then,
That's enough.
now,
The broccoli.
this is broccoli. Ano? Is yung lettuce, guys. Ito. Yung lettuce.
Lettuce.
So, the
And
other tray,
now,
broccoli.
I'll do the other tray too.
The broccoli. Ito.
Yes, sir.
Can you have?
What?
Just little.
Why do they look like
Spread.
that?
Can you
Spread
have?
lang.
Can we have?
Yes, Skyler. So, spread lang natin. Ganyan, guys.
Can you give me more, please? Are we gonna grow fruits?
It's not, it's vegetable.
Can you?
Okay. Oh, last one. You go. Okay na. Oh, come here, Sky. Go kuya. Come here. This side. Sky's turn. Come here, Sky.
Hi guys.
Okay, go. Spread here. Okay, enough. So, ganyan lang. So, after that, so ito yung broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah. So, may
Okay.
natira pa. So, ngayon, what we need is to
Can I do it now?
spray, guys.
Can I spray it now?
Yeah.
Can I do
Wait, the other side.
it?
Okay, this one.
Okay, my turn.
Just spray like this too. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, enough. So yan guys.
That's how you do our planting. Wait.
It's that, Skyler. Yan guys. So, what are the benefits of microgreens guys? Ang dami kasi bata pa siya yung i-harvest natin. So,
The other one is having more.
mas marami yung vitamins na makukuha niyo sa
Charging.
microgreens kumpara sa yung nakatubo na, yung malaki na vegetable. So ngayon, so this, kasi yung microgreens guys, mas expensive siya kumpara sa kasi
Microgreens.
by grams yung bintahan. At saka most sa mga restaurant,
Hi.
ito yung hinahalo nila sa mga
Best day ever, guys.
sa mga nila foods. Pag may yung gusto mo ng pag vegetarian ka at saka health conscious, yun. Mas maganda pag microgreens. Kaso may kamahalan lang pag bibili ka sa mga stores, sa mga grocery. So ngayon, tapos na to. At saka
Now, let's do this now.
ito, lalagay natin dito guys sa taas para pag nagpropagate natin. So pag nag-sprout na siya, titingnan natin mga ilang araw. Yan. So mga 1 to 3 days i-check natin. Araw-araw i-check natin guys. And then every day, one time a day, once a day, spray natin pag ano siya. Tingnan natin na dry na siya. So talagyan natin yung dito.
First, we need to do is step.
Yan.
Just join things.
Tapos
That's how we do.
lagyan natin ng pabigat para pag sprout na siya,
A sprout.
nakalibel lang yung
Before we
tubo
did
niya.
that.
So ito yung lalagyan natin pampabigat guys habang wala tayong nakita
Okay,
ibang
Is it that?
magamit, no? Yan.
Let's
Ito
go.
na yung
Okay, let's go.
tray.
We're home.
Kaya gawin natin
Guys,
sa
I want to
microgreen. So 1 to 3 days titingnan natin guys pag nag-sprout na siya. So ngayon, lalagay natin dito. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong setup. Dito guys, dito tayo gumawa ng yung may lead light tayo. Yan. So dito natin siya ilalagay. Tapos
Yes, we do.
tatabunan natin ng
This is for the microgreens.
hindi siya may lilim habang pinapa. Ngayon, okay. Sit. Lalagay natin dito is yan. So, everyday titingnan natin guys kung kumusta na yung tubo niya o
Every day we need to.
sprout na siya. Yan, tapos tatabon natin dito.
The deer. Reindeer.
Yeah. So yan. Yan guys. Yung ginawa natin
And that's
set
how
up
you
sa
do it.
ating microgreen. So once na mag-success, gagawa tayo ng marami guys. So gagawa tayo ng rack. Tapos yan. So gagawa tayo ng marami pag yung may gustong
How did you do that?
mag-try na microgreens, pwedeng bintahan natin. Sana
I'll do this.
sa success. So,
Okay,
and that's the end of our video for today. Today's video.
and we're gonna make 100 videos until we get 100 likes.
Okay, say goodbye guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
Thank you for watching.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.